Hey, what's up, Hook holders? So today video is going very special for Hook holder. Kindly, Hook holder, be safe from loss. Don't skip any second of this video, because this video, my brother, is going very special for all of you. And I hope if you watch this video, then you cannot lose. You never lost in a crypto market, especially my friend. The crypto market. First of all, I want to give you some information about the crypto market. The crypto market, my friends, for the previous 7 days very badly dumb spells down, my friend. So therefore, especially all cryptocurrencies, especially viral, my friend, for example Dogecoin, and this time my friend Shiba token absolutely very badly falls down. So don't see, my friends, to Hook also falls down, because Hook is just a new crypto token, my friend. This time you can see here 19.85% fell down. So it's definitely, my friend, they also fell down, because all cryptocurrencies falls down. So don't see this short falls, my friends, because all crypto market falls down. So therefore they are also falls down. You can see, my friend, the price is come to 0.00001 USD dollar, very badly falls down. And if you check out, my friend, the last 24-hour volume, 63.38% falls down. So it's all about, my friend, the main reasons. They all thing you can see here, everything is falls down, fully diluted, everything, my friends, fell down. So the main reason I already explained, my friends, today falls down. What's the reason today falls down? I already tell you, my friend, everything about this. So don't see, my friend, this short fails, and be safe from loss, my friend. If you starting selling at this current time, exactly, my friend, you are completely at the loss. This time you can see, my friend, especially Dogecoin, up to bar person after Elon Musk. Yes, exactly, my friend. After Elon Musk promotion, Dogecoin, Shiba coin, these all is going up. So don't see this, because, my friend, Hook is this time no one can promote this, especially like my friends. This time you can see here like Elon Musk type people. But don't see, my friends, these change occur. I hope, my friends, they make you millionaire at the end of this month. So wait for the end of month, just and only I hope they give you 0.001 USD dollar. So if they give you, my friend, the change to just and only, my friends, they change now, they 10x now. So absolutely, my friends, they give you half USD dollar at the end of this year. So wait for the end of this year. I hope, my friends, especially long time investor, don't sell it, and short time investor also today give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video, enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos.